Whoa!
Yo!
What's up, BuildForce? It has been day one of Comic Con. Let me tell you, it has been insane.
Yeah.
Insane. I'm Jeff, and that's Paul. I'm Paul, that's Jeff.
Yes, and there's Coffee and Vortex and Beefy.
Sister
and
of Vortex, because
yeah.
you don't have a handle yet. What's your handle? Freak Show. Okay, that's Freak Show. We got Beefy.
Or Mickey.
So,
Yeah, so guys, how is first day? It's been
good.
chaotic, eh?
Pretty chaotic. Stop lying.
It was a show.
But yeah, Paul,
Last year.
shall we have a tour from outside to in?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do a tour.
through.
For
Okay.
anybody that missed out to coming to Comic Con, you're gonna feel the FOMO, guys.
Yeah.
Gonna make you feel it.
Feel
So
it.
show us the way.
So, you're going to come into the store.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's start here. We'll get to and you're going to get excited because you're going to see all these cool Warhammer.
Oh, the Joy Toy
figures,
Warhammers, yes.
Which are so sick, by the way.
Which one's your favorite?
Oh, dude, I really love this War Sister or the War Suit.
Awesome.
Yeah, so this I love the Sororitas, and I also really like. Check this Black Legion Havocs Marine. It's so sexy.
Cool. I
So
pretty much
sexy.
I can say I don't know anything about Warhammer. I just know they look
You know
kind
what
of
looks
cool.
right?
Yeah,
And then
so
we're gonna go through, and there's like a lot more of that kind of jazz happening. And then we get to GUNPLA SA.
yay.
So as you guys can see, there's a lot more room. There's a lot more space in the store. You guys can really check it out. Look how many accessories and all that good stuff that we got. So we got you. And wow, is that two Kshatriyas on the top there? Amazing. And also, just maybe a heads up, in case you were hoping, Zodia is gone, bro.
Yeah.
Zodia is gone, but we got so much other cool stuff. So
Oh, by the way, what about showing the outside of a stand as well?
yes, we're gonna go
Because
do
we're
that
so
now.
proud about the professional.
But guys, I mean,
yeah.
you're used to seeing lots of great kits
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
I
But
don't know-
what about the display case? That's
Check the display
special. First time at a convention we have communities builds. Yes. Oh, okay. Before we, the display case that's the cherry on top. Yeah. But for let's get into Paul. Finally, have your photos of your builds on display. Do you want to
Totally.
talk about a bit of your crossbone?
Oh, hello, little man.
Hello, little man. Yeah.
Okay, so this time, like the last two, Jeff has been putting up his images, which is really awesome. He asked me if I could do mine this year. So I put my crossbone up, which is fully painted. It's my fully built and painted and completed build of my crossbone. So I did that for this, and I also did my sandrock as well.
Yes. Yeah.
And you know, Jeff and I had fun taking photos of our stuff, and then we've decorated.
And
the
obviously
stand.
some communities like, hey, our
this guy?
first competition winner, William, there's your build. And yeah, do you want to look around? There's more that we featured. And there's a bit of mine. Oh, there's mine.
Which we wanted to do last year.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
here we
then
go.
this snap build, slap,
But also just
yeah,
to remind
EcoFlow.
you, the store is powered by EcoFlow, so that's pretty good. Thank
yeah.
you, EcoFlow.
And then there's a snap build of my Machillas, so nothing too special. But the Alchemist in Cape Town, hey, look at your build, nice, hey? What do they call us? We have Asmodee at home or
Yes,
something.
I think
Yes.
that was it.
Yeah, really unique. I hope you guys can see. It's a lot of overexposure in the shot, but yeah. And William, he's actually our neighbor. Look,
Yeah.
Corvid Curiosity,
Curiosity.
selling
Got
dices
that
and stuff.
stuff, come and
And I
support it.
intentionally put this in my design facing his store, just to remind him, there's
you
your
built
awesome
those.
build, dude. I can't wait to have it in the display tomorrow.
Sweet, then,
Yeah,
then
your
we got
your
other
RG
things. I got
Gion.
my RG
Yay.
Gion, and then my HG Kemper.
Yes, camphor. We're gonna see it in the display case now.
Oh, dude.
Yes,
Thank you.
that's
I love your hype
yes.
about that. It's very
And obviously my snap build Sazabi and the RG new. Nothing special there. They look cool, but they need a bit of a paint love, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you
Okay.
need to paint
So
yours.
now for the main event. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Our display case. So now show us, Paul. Talk us through it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Jeff painstakingly and lovingly crafted this beautiful cabinet.
Just don't look at that scratch over there. Yeah.
Yes, no, like,
Yeah.
you know, don't point them out to the scratch over there. Okay,
Exactly.
so what we decided to do, or what we got is the BuildForce to donate a whole bunch of kits. Not donate that we keep them, but just donate them for the display so they can show off the cool stuff. So check it out. So we got winners from our most recent
Yeah,
competition.
let me come up again. Let me come up.
Yeah, so we got the winner from the most recent
Yeah,
competition, the
Jono,
Harlequin
yo.
Aerial with Jono with
Yeah.
his awesome Harlequin Aerial. Then we got this really great aerial
Rishi.
from Rishi.
Thank
then we
you.
got the Grays custom, the Protea, that's by Jeff.
Thank you,
Not a
thank
winner
you.
necessarily, but it's a winner. If you know what I mean. It's not like for a
Yeah.
competition. Then we got space, the sea,
Dude, I still can't believe this is your like second paint project, eh? And then this was your first.
Incredible,
Like, wow,
incredible
dude.
stuff. And
Wow.
also we got Zenith's thing here as well.
Yes.
So guys, this is like some of them. I don't want to show you everything.
Yes.
But yeah, and it's just
There's our collab build, and there's the camphor.
there's my camphor, and
And then there's Natus's spider, iron spider in the back there. Screech, your
Metagross.
Metagross.
yeah, and then we just
Together
got,
with my little Pikachu there, yeah. And then
so
let's
come
see.
check them out, guys.
Oh,
It's gonna be
Ebola
awesome.
Zaire. There's
Yeah,
your
Kshatriya.
Kshatriya and your MG balls. Yeah, he loves his balls, man. Yeah, oh, then, dude, finally.
there's my crossbow.
Finally finished, eh? Signed
yeah,
off.
it's finished,
signed
signed
off.
off. I'm not gonna
Yay,
do anything
yeah,
more to it.
yeah. And then Natus with these, what's a Mortal Kombat Sub-Zero and
Well, the ice effect
Scorpion.
is amazing. It's the first time I've really got a chance to look at it in
Yeah.
person today.
And then Vortex that's been helping us out. There's his Kasi Gundam.
Just
And then, yeah.
Natas, dude, your paint is so clean. Look at that finish, man. It's insane.
Yeah, yeah.
It's really impressive. Very, very good.
Yeah,
Got a
very,
good
very
hand.
good. Yeah. And then obviously there's my RX-70A2, the Xeon
style.
colorway, and then a Scott with these
Grays.
sharp grays, and yeah, I think that's it, right? Anything that you want to say to sign off?
Just that today's been
Or
insane.
sorry, hold on. Exposure. There you go. Exposure is good.
Okay,
Yeah.
just that today's been insane, but it has been amazing. Jeff and I have had some really great experiences this on Friday for our first day at the con, so it's just been wonderful. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Those of you that didn't make it today, I'm looking forward to Saturday.
Yeah.
And as we go
And guys,
onto the weekend.
the entry grade kits, they are, getting a dent, eh? And the Pokemons as well. Actually, they look full, but the Mimikyu, it's empty behind it now.
It's
Yeah.
empty.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So-
it's empty.
Yeah.
Sweet. But
Otherwise,
yeah, guys, hope you're building joy, and we will check you tomorrow.
in the
hopefully.
next one.
In the next one.
Bye, guys.
Oh,
Oh,
transition.
boom, boom, and then there into the sun.
Into the light.